on the same network, same towers, just 50% off in terms of price. Right now, get unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigs of data for just $20 a month. Switch to Pure Talk today. Now, from your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say Pure Radio. That's pound 250, Pure Radio, Pure Talk USA, simply smarter wireless.
Think you're dealing with drug poisoning, chemical poisoning, food poisoning? Call the Poison Helpline first for fast, free advice from medical professionals. Call 1-800-222-1222 anytime, anywhere. Save the number, save a life. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
Hi, this is Ron St. Pierre. Waking up with me on News Radio 920 at 104.7 FM just got even easier. If you've got an Amazon Dot or Echo, just say, Alexa, set my alarm to play News Radio 920 on iHeartRadio every day at 5 o'clock.
Getting News Radio 920 WHJJ station from iHeartRadio.
It's that easy.
The secret to feeling great is as close as your radio. Saturday morning at 8, it's Holistic Healthline. Jane, Peter, and Dr. Jansen are taking your calls and answering your questions. If it's about your health, it's on Holistic Healthline. Saturday morning, 8 to 10 on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Report on Hunter Biden and Burisma. You know what it does, among many other things? It proves that Trump was right asking the Ukrainians to investigate him. And Biden. And they impeached Trump over this? He was dead on right asking Ukraine to investigate Biden. We will be right back.
Hey, there he is. How's it going?
I'm having a stroke.
Are you going to shake my hand or what?
I'm having a stroke.
Wow, you're not even moving your arm.
I'm having a stroke.
Are you okay?
I'm having a stroke.
Your face looks weird, too.
I'm having a stroke.
Are you having a seizure or something?
I'm having a stroke.
When someone is having a stroke, they may not be able to say it with words, but their body language will tell you loud and clear.
I'm having a stroke.
You just need to know the sudden signs. Look for FAST, F-A-S-T. F, face drooping. A, arm weakness. Or S, speech difficulty. Then T, time. Time to call 911 immediately, because the sooner they get to the hospital, the sooner they'll get treatment. And that can make a remarkable difference in their recovery. Know the sudden signs. Face, arm, speech, time. Spot a stroke fast. Visit strokeassociation.org. Brought to you by the American Stroke Association and the Ad Council.
Rhode Island's news.